Nigga, we outside, siphumile, yeah. Sopola nechomzam, nigga, we outside, tina siphumile, yeah. Sopola nechomzam, nechomzam, yeah. Sopola nechomzam, yeah.
Nigga, we outside, nechomzam siphumile. No one is drunk in love, song as nele yipotile.
Hey guys, it's Miss B, the sweetest honey bee, and I'm sweeter than honey itself. I'm the hottest bee in the beehive. And welcome to the reboot of Glimpse and Glam. Of course, and I'm daughter, Ndamane dollies, Ndamane hands, Ndamane is hot, you know, because this is Glimpse and Glam. We glimpse it, we glam it, we live it, and this is our soft girl era. Yes. So yeah, man, Dipete, the problematic.
Synovia Messenger,
yes.
The problematic mom, the only lady with plenty of ginger, aka the lover of good vibes, baby.
Oh yes.
Anaya kambi top dog.
Yes, Nyamazi. My name is Nick Kamakwakolo, and I am the top dog. You know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Of course.
Always on top.
Always on top.
Always on what? Hey, my beloved. Okay, it's been a while. There's a lot we have to catch up on. Like, hey, sasigoa silile's couching, but hey, askali. It is 2026.
The
hell?
And askali last year.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Askali. Around this time we were shooting Glimpse and Glam.
Oh, Nyansi.
This is what I'm saying. This is the reboot, baby.
Yeah.
Back. We're back like Mkolo, like Mkoko.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
Benana, how are you? How is your heart? Nijani?
Top dog, baby. Let's go.
I condense clear, you must be always on top, kid. Oh, God damn it.
Glow. Let it glow. That freshly cracked glow, eh? My nigga.
Focusing on yourself is important.
Very much.
Very important. Choosing yourself every single time. Sometimes being a narcissist is always good for you.
How?
Not all the time. Sometimes.
Chile kwenye page.
Narcissism. Always important.
And
Sometimes.
And he did say once, like, he's a narcissist. You did once say it. Yeah, in an episode. I think it was Culture Convo. Yeah, I think it was Culture.
I thought I was, but nah, I'm an egoist. Not a
Okay.
narcissist.
So you're all about
It's
oneself.
all about me. It's all about
Yes.
me.
Because narcissism is also bad for other people who are around you. Because now there's manipulation. There's Kandi, when you're all about yourself, it's all about like egoism. You're just you. Yeah. All about you. Miss Mercy, the problematic. How are we feeling today? How's your heart?
Number one, dayo kuba problematic.
Oh, what?
Okay.
Zaler. Napunga, kutheni punga. Okay. Oh man. I'm feeling okay. Oh man. Your 2026 sweet gum. Eat the sweet me die. Hey! Can't go to get
Abantu bakokweni bagodkile understand usheke njani?
I don't know. Yazi ndithanda ukuthi ithi yamakhwele ebhasini. Yathi asanoniqhayela kodwa umxhose ngona ayibabeniyazi. Ndingonwoma.
Hayi nanku yazamthatha uhlala edivaza.
Donwabile guys. Nyano Nathan right being yourself sometimes kumnandi. Yeah. Uziphi space sakho. It's very important. Uzijonge bawufuna ntoni apha elifini. Yeah man, 90 grand man. Hey, this B.
Hello.
Zawuphela nishumayela apha.
Akarongwanga.
Oh,
Preach sister.
Asawazi. Hayi otherwise grand according ngakho. Kusweet nekhala.
Betnani. Nami nje ndibona apha ezimbuzweni zenu ba abantu are all about themselves. You know yonke into. Hey betnana. Otherwise hayi nami ndi right betna. Ndi right ungandibone manje ndiphunga. Ndi right yey ndi right on your hlobo.
Ndi right on your hlobo. Hey.
Ndi right on your hlobo. Ngenba ikhona enye into endicibela uyinxiba yazi. But ke nawuyibona next episode. You know?
Abantu.
Nayo maningqelana pha emntwini ekhoyo.
Sorry.
But see, that's fine, the right man, guys. The right. The right.
Bane.
Yes. I like.
Kulongqela ilapha emntwini uyayazi bandithanda ntwana phela. Ntwana eyibabulayo phela.
Hey, 2020 sinatla.
Esingathwele izikanipromise ring.
Tommy Nathan but
Nditi. No, it's just the thing, guys. Nana, go freshly engaged, you know.
Are you fucking engaged? Sutoka. Ukhwahlakela uyingonyama ngisenawe nje kanti.
Go freshly engaged. Also look because kaloku unqena uyingcolile.
Hayi.
Nifike busy, zilashes, zintoni.
Sihlale naye kanti.
So, let me see.
Safika sithi sisi ngokuwe.
And full time. Full time, guys.
Hayi
I'm no longer.
simuthwere senatla sana.
Sinatla saka.
Idlala
Sinatla.
ngoma.
Monna.
Itshola ngoma.
Monna. Like a man.
No guys, okay, sendiyazi bandiyintoni. So, yeah,
But
ready.
asikazochata man, guys. Siyaza. So can be excited nje ngoku.
Asigezela kaloku.
Asikazo. I'm like I want a private location and such vibes. You know, nje.
Masambeni.
Nabiza amagqwetha emthathweni wakho kanti kwakwezi boxes phakathiwe. Hayi. Sorry. Fit nation yonke. Kodwa bazokuphathela ne gifts. No.
Asundijika.
Idlala njalo imitshato bra. Otherwise, yeah, guys, when the right, the happy.
Be happy man. Yo.
Ndivuyela lento nani ni happy man. Can you
Singagobi,
singagobi. Kulo nyaka sigowe kakhulu, especially at the start of the year. You are. So, ngase xa silapha wasibese siya pick up, siya recovery.
Yeah.
Ewe umuntu azozileqa would like to heal. But nje man, mayibe khona lantu ba hayi noko.
Noko.
Ndikwazi ukuziphakamisa. Izithi more life. Otherwise, man, guys, esematheni. Masike siqale ngale ke ngoku. Uproducer benixaba maniqale ngantoni but hey ishushu because uyelelana kule topic ndiphanse ndayingena kuyo yomtshato.
Okay.
Betnani akho umuntu ungayaziyo ngoku at this point. Have you all watched The Polygamist?
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuvuka.
Yeah.
How's your take?
Not a fan.
Not a fan? Why? No, we're not asking you to be a fan.
Okay.
I just want your opinion there. On wait, we
No.
How far are you?
I think episode 4, 5.
You haven't watched it.
Okay.
You are
Ukabukele.
Umya overrated ngona. Oh, abantu nabengcola ngayo.
Kaloku jonga.
Ndaphula ngumdla.
Just block the noise. Nam ndibonile ba ibi ngxaki mina ndayibona kwa last year trailer yayo and I was so excited. I told the producer about bro, I just saw this. You know, like a nice trailer yayo. I thought I can so baseleke the sexy. I was like no, bro.
It's very nice with you.
But the drama, what's going on? Weirdly enough, that person that the book apha Dimaza library.
Yeah.
Ikhona la ncwadi. Yes. Lapha nje uyithatha qa ndalento da block kungabi na library card.
Oh.
Otherwise, that was the first book I was going to take out. I think it was around the year of 2024. Now ndabona The Polygamist the trailer ngona aziba ayele nangala ncwadi kanti yo kanye.
Yeah.
So when I got to watch it, you haven't watched it because by the time I watched it, abantu sebekhala ngayo. Abanye abantu sebesithi sesiyigqibile. And I'm like,
I'm going to feel go.
sanuntyafisa. But when I actually got to watch it, yay.
That's win.
Amadoda. All I can say, men are trash. Ishe yam, but men are trash.
Ivan.
Men are trash, guys. And I loved how the author of the book said Ujonasi had a problem, and his only problem was not knowing how to love because he never received love.
Love, yeah.
So indongayaziyo, you can't give out uti I love you. So his form of love was just like gifts, sex, money. Ha, and just say, bro, I feed you, I provide.
Now,
When Ibo.
But he can't give you himself because akayazi experience your time. You can't teach a man how to love. It's like how you can't teach an old dog new tricks. If inja ifunze bajonga ke go 6 year cham, go 6 year cham. No e come up as long as
you 6 year time.
You know? Yeah. So awuzothi ngoku kuba ufuna ngokuchame ngo 5.
Uthi cha.
Chama ngo-5 ayizoyenza loo nto.
Khame ke. Le ba uJoyce ahlale enyamezelela into yenzeke ba. Ibe right.
Hey, yabona, that's the first question engikhe ndayibuzwa nami about the situation kaJoyce, and I was
Yeah.
like, kubani wayewrong Acrimony? If you've
So-
ever watched the movie Acrimony, kubani wayewrong Acrimony?
Namhlanje ayikaziwa uba ngubani wayewrong.
Question ba kubani obe-wrong phaya? You can never say uJoyce is right, but you can still never say uJoyce is wrong. Because kaloku as a woman, uJoyce was lured into something ecinga uba ngumtshato. And umtshato for yena ukwazileyo umsustainer, because imagine they had kids together,
Yeah.
they have a business together, they have
Yeah.
a house. For nini family yakho nento zakho kwenu ziyandilenca.
Oh my god. Okay.
Now by the time now I'm married, I'm fully yours.
Yeah.
But now I expect you to be fully mine.
Yeah.
That's why I understood ipoint yoba she fought to the point that she was tired and ended up saying, no man, you know what, come thathu matipa mhlambe incinci lento uyifunayo ufuna umatipa mfaka apha endlini ke bonke
Man.
uzakwenza ntoni. Even though wamnika umatipa,
Still.
usafuna abanye, and all along uAce ngumkakhe.
Yo, hey.
Wena mna
Yayibona ke le-
squeezer sam kanti
Kodwa
you're the first wife.
lendlela nayo esiwayithetha ngayo man. Yayibonakala zibekwa ba uyamazi uJonas. Umazi ngendlela amazi ngayo.
Yeah, the way bebesevana kulaa tafile, I was like, why is awukhalaza abankosikazi wakho abakodwa, and why is awubalekela kuAce? That was the first thought I had, but why is awubalekela kuAce? You have a brother. Bunothetha nobrother wakho. Why uzothetha nonkosikazi kabrother wakho kanti ayingonkosikazi? So there's a lot of debate and debacle around the whole series and the book, because even kwincwadi kuthiwa ulindani was not a friend kampumi. She was just another girlfriend who's younger. The original character kalindani was never a friend kampumi, because even in the book abantwana were not that highlighted.
Oh.
Abantwana bebezawuba mhlawumbe ku-part 2, because naye utsho uthi kwincwadi yam I never took indaba yoba abantwana yonke lento iba-affecte njani, and I love how the series writers sivele zayifaka laa nto uba le nto yenziwa ngutata is-affecta njani thina, you know. Yena she never had that thought. Wayena la thought after sezawubhala ke ngoku i-continuation of the book. But guys, it's crazy.
Anyamezeleki.
It's crazy. I'm a daughter, but yeah.
Anyamezeleki la.
At that point, when she was about to shoot, I was gonna be like, yes, because now, honestly, I would shoot you.
Udinga uTharaji la ndawo.
Nale retex,
Idinga uTharaji.
I was like, oh,
Taraji P. Henson and Tasha Smith deserve la ndawo kaJoyce.
yeah.
Yabona. There's isini apha avela amjulela ngedoni.
Oh, indoda ngexesha indoda ithetha
Emusa phansi.
wait.
I'm like,
what's the name
Tyler
of that
Perry
movie?
ubhala apha kanye ngubani?
What's the name of that movie?
Oh, the black.
Diary of a Mad Black Woman.
Yes, ngexesha indoda.
Yeah.
Yabona pha, you can never say ngubani why wrong, because indoda ithi suphangela suthini ulife yakho nza kusustainer, the next thing akasafuni kwa wena abanye abantu bathi kutheni ngekhangabe nala ngqondo just to save up.
Kangacinge
Le ndoda exciting say no, the first sign. That's why my dear went crazy also. The first sign should have been usayine i-prenup.
Damn.
The minute indoda ithi sayina i-prenup ithi ingakushiya nantoni na nanini na, and ke ukuyazazi ba yona ayiluzi into. Uze nalento uze usisiqu uzawuphuma isisiqu. Hamba nesikuza.
Naivu.
Uyayibona lana? Bra, you should have saved ingqondo. Like imali ingqondo yakho mayisebenze ba okay le ndoda
Ngakushana anytime.
Shana, anytime should I be able to sign a prenup?
Yeah.
Those are the dangers. And I feel like as younger women, there aren't any marriage advocates for younger women. Hey guys, when you want to venture into the world of umchato, nazi izinto that you should look out for. Should enze oku noku. This is a sign. Should enze oku noku. He cares.
Sign.
Yeah, but uzoyazi ba now, but okay, uToki lo wam uthi masithini
Because nyani kaloku makhulu bethu thina babevuma umntana xa phinda abuye.
Oh, Thixo.
wasana
Ngiyaphinda abuye.
manje bebhalana ileta indoda eseJoburg that time indoda
Umazi wenza ntoni? Umazi wenza ntoni?
hostel sana unwabile nenye family manje ibuya ngoDecember nalapha futhi ifuneka ibuye phindi meet
Oh,
away
sana.
phindi kushiya nolunye ufukuzo losana phindi ihambe yona phindi so it's like ndithi we don't have enough people who are married who talk about the things ekufamasi yazithetha nyani in marriage like prenups, assets, divorce,
Yeah.
everything that should look out for xa utshata kwenzela bangathi kuba mna ndibona umtshato kaDr Musa Mthombeni no Leslie or that guy uHungani Ndlovu who had a wife
Then
yabo and there's so many couples ezenza umtshato ube cute ube aesthetic ube qona
Asiyazi uma kwenzeka ntoni phakathi endlini.
behind the scenes
Yeah.
fine
No
look at the
emoji.
city
Yeah.
Makoti wasn't she trending now Huri City Makoti
Oh, Anika.
I don't know what's going on I don't watch the show but in the very Huri
namathono masho ndaqibula
Adikiwe.
ubukela the show mna guy I mean lo ntombazana Anika ne
Yeah.
ethetha no sister wakhe having a conversation ba umfana sangabhatala into ethile nethile no then bayihleka like
But
Okay.
one number one. Wathi lobola yenziwa kowabo.
ubani
Anika lo.
okay
Kokuyintoni ingabhadelwa?
ayingomntana
Oh, ayisuka bayitha zenziwe ezo zinto kwabo lamntana.
kaloku yena ingathi ukhalazela i-household bills and such and such
Okay.
uba lo
Oh.
mfana makeke umsebenzi
Ahlale endlini.
afune umsebenzi
umsebenzi of-
mom
Oh,
kwenzela azokwazi umaintaina naye because ingathi
I remember
seemingly
esimfuna ku content creation.
sadly ingathi nguye ubaby girl o-ena more
more
than the guy
Oh my god.
and you see that level of not communicating ba ngokwezinto i-bystanders abantu bangaphandle abasithi know your dirty laundry because you air it out on TV
sana
this is life this is real life when I was on Hlaze TV niba ndiyindoda
ula Anika ndini udeserve indoda yasegqeberha
Yo.
udeserve indoda yasebhayi
laa ndoda
kaDominic
laa ndoda ka-
yo udeserve indoda enje ya
ezathi baby ndirhalela uflyer out
yo
Emncuve.
yo
Emncuve.
jonga
because yadlala
Yabona segqeberha. Yeah.
she has experience
ebuchonte ngilibona
story time
Aka story time. You.
iwaridori sisi
Is that if nyani nami belikumntwana emali njengo Anika.
ubuzayibheja
Enza
laa
ubuya
ndoda.
ndiphaca ndithi oh.
ungenayo ne-flops mntanam amadlozi abhaya will finish you what happened dadethu
Yeza lo. Yo. Hayi ke go hayi yo ufuna ufuna amadanki azongihlasela. Khazelela ndisele positive ungeta sekhaya. But yeah yo hayi abantu basebhayi. Ja. Andizubalisa andizubalisa akho story time. Asiza ngale. Bese asigowi apha.
ayigowisi
ayigowisi nje ne-story time sakho
asigowisi
stories
you are just warning other fellow
Ba.
girls and dollies and hands but hey
men
Gqeberha men will finish you
red flag
abekho atrenda mos ku-TikTok
Super sis.
umuntu aveza uba asithi hayi bo baby bungathanga uzandithenga into ethile
Super sis.
andisayilindile nkona okay
maybe xa uboleke 400
Ayizubuya.
ndiza kubuyisela month end
Ayibuyi.
I know bendithe ndiza kunika leyana but ikhona umuntu osondityalayo sandilibaziza hey I'm so proud of myself to
Ayizubuya.
never
Yabona
ever have
Ndiboleke
encountered
i500 siyaphuma namajita ntoni into ekuphaca. Uzamnika nyani. Kaloku uthi izawubuya ngomsono.
okay nendine questions
asoze mntu osekanye
Dine question since ne from a point of view yamadoda do you think that amadoda wona deserve ubhejwa ngamashera
I've been explicit ngendaba yami yobheja betinana ubheja umuntu okubhejayo
Ha.
awuzothi sisajamba ku-relationship uyichero vele ubheja amachera anayimali trust me amantombazana anayimali when I say amantombazana anayimali amantombazana do have money because i-maintenance yamantombazana is expensive. From abantu abenza i-weaves to abantu abenza i-braids. Eqonda i-braids ngoba ziya ku-600.
Hey.
I-braids is expensive.
Lixesha lomntu ke eliya.
Exactly. There's lashes, kukho abenziwa i-individual, kukho abenza i-clusters, nendoni, and kukho i-lash tags, kukho amazipho, kukho this, kukho impahla. There's still funeka abanye abarendayo, kuyo yonke lonto yolo maintenance. Amantombazana have money. But it's
money.
you
I'm broke. I'm not
say it's you saying, baby, ndicela undiboleke imali apha. Sisaqala ujola.
Hayi yazichaza lokuba uze ngantoni.
Uyindoda sebhayanyani. Because you have to show me
First,
that you can maintain me. Because kwale mali ndizimaintaina ngayo mna, ya a step above. And I'm just talking about amantombazana yoku abangazokwazi ukuthi dedicate and I, which is me. Now I know I can maintain myself. And if I can spend 2,000 on my maintenance, nakhona mhlambe minimum yendi spend I 2,000. I expect you to say no ka 3, 2.5 maybe. Then I can say, ooh boy. Masami zakubonisa life. Zakubonisa abahlali. Phezulu kwala 2 point ndon ndikubheja wena ungayilindelanga. Ba. Hayi bo. I can maintain umuntu on maintainayo.
Okay.
Ha.
Maintain my standard that I have set for myself.
Imani ke
I didn't go date.
Ixesha eli right for umbhejabhejwano lenini.
Okay.
Khabuza apha emadodeni.
Bhuti wam. Ixesha eli right for umbhejabhejwano lenini. Ukhona.
Kaloku sibuza kuwe kwenzela
kuwe
nathi
ngoku.
sizokwazi uphendula. When is the perfect
Ixesha
time
eli-right.
mina wena as umjita? Uqala nini ubheja? Uyibona
Let's
njani
say-
i-relationship ba? Yabona apha ndiyakwazi ufaka imali. I think utsho.
Okay.
That depends because then was fun.
Yes.
Ungambheja umuntu nineveki niyithandana.
Hey, it's crazy.
What's wrong with that?
It's crazy.
I think most of the activator is sex little bit.
Oh!
That's a boy.
Right after, and then you be like, okay. No.
I don't think ngambheja lo.
But there's men abachincekayo after eleli nawo uzothini ke ngoku?
Chinceka.
How you like to put this up?
Yo.
Uyayibo? Lana iya up.
100 rand ngixoxa isihle it's fine ungahamba.
Ayikho kwalo 100 rand. Iduru kwalo 100 rand bandikunike kodwa awundi.
Yo.
Because man, you think by yeah, it's good, it's here, it's nice. Usungayifumana nalo 100 rand after naleyo goduka ibenzima sana.
Uthi hamba ucela amatorho.
Ayo abana unachomi yakho inokuboleka nayo ngokukhesha bakomza kunika late. Saza bena kucona. Why sekunisi?
Yo.
Nalando, awunothi mhlawumbe usando ngobola kule veki by next week.
So, yinto leyo.
Iwisi bakaloku mama akhe nginontshuntyika zuma. Imisi.
Wena. Ndita yam kabeka mfethu. Simamele thina basebenzisi.
Nalawe ifana uba uthi usandoncokola nomuntu kule veki and then kwiveki elandelayo somcela imali edatha.
Ngicingisa.
Yabo, hayi, come on. Ndisanokwazi tshomi, relax.
But what if ucela idatha for uthetha nawe?
Kanti ubuthengelwa ngubani ngoba ngathi namdala.
Kaloku
Uthetha naye.
uthetha nawe
Exactly.
ngoku.
Ngiyamthathela mos.
Uthetha nawe ngoku. So kaloku xa ngenadatha ke ngoku uzawuphinda uthi andikuhoyi. Andikuhoyi njani yawudinga
That's
datha.
when ke ngoku ndifila khona bonqona ke ndi-dedicated kuwe. Man ndikuthengele idatha. But bani ko-dedicated akava ndini alright so uthetha xa ubrand. Kaloku busy nawe bengenadatha ke banedatha ke mna kwabo.
Yiva uthi yo, ngizithike enhloko.
Men. But yeah, I like a man's perspective. I like a man's perspective. Kwenzela ingabi ngathi thina machere biased. Or siyathanda ubhesha amadoda. Namadoda aveza ba guys, nathi we can be annoyed by simple things. And kenyani into ocela idatha betinana hayi masikhe siyeke mantombazana.
Dad.
Mantombazana. Sesithethe usisi omdala ke ngoku. Yekamcela idatha on the first week of ukujola. That's so immature. At this point, ekasi kukwezi router
abasacela idatha kaloku
Rentoni,
Bacela
bacalo-
i-voucher.
cala imali eneyo
Cela i-voucher. Cela i-voucher ka-elite.
Eh, nami
One
ngifuna
voucher.
i-voucher ka-elite.
hayi bo
360 futhi
Who are
Ngenzela
you?
ndiyazi uba ndipholile inyanga yonke. So okay guys, okay. Next, let's move on with none. There was a thing apha bekuthethwa ngayo before we went live. Not live game because we were on air. Is it a validation versus
Confidence.
confidence?
Yeah.
Yes. I wanted us to talk about that because as a person behind the camera, I can't say what confidence is because I'm confident once in on air. Ndikwazi ujongana necamera ndithethe. Otherwise, after yonke loo nto ndithethe cwaka tata.
Swaya, David.
Ndiyithettle. Ndilala kuthiwa ndilufudo mna ndiphuma when it's needed and then phinde go back to my shell. So I want to hear your guys' perspective. Confidence, validation, which one is which? You know?
siqala ngawo namhlanje sesakufaniso siqala ngawo namhlanje ugowa too much
Swaya David.
swaya David
Swaya David. Kulehlala namhlanje. Umose unamantombazana
hayi
ayi-5.
ndakubetha wena
Masawu.
uthe kunxaniwe sela
Sang.
nangamanzi
Fine. First of all, good ngumuntu onjani no confident.
Exactly. That's where I can go.
ofana nam
Are you
Okay,
are
okay.
you
umuntu ofana nam manditsho
are you confident
Are you,
or
are you sure or are you
just
okanye ndicinga ndi-confident kanti
Yeah. Yeah. What is confidence?
ndicinga okay ndiyaniva
Are you confident or
I think I am
because Glenda validation I didn't experience of validation. Where you're gonna be like, no man, xa nami esitratweni, I want your opinion. But like, look at me and think about, okay, no, umhle. Yabo, kukhona izanto ongazithembi ngokwakho when you're looking in the mirror, be like, okay, there's no, I am that. I am it.
I
Okay.
know people who are confident. I can say I've met Mandita, I've met 3 girls that I believe that they are confident. You know, like umntu azijoyisa mina qonde yeah
Ndiyo. Ndiyo.
ndim ndi-on like avela athi ndi-on ndiqonde hey umntu uyithatha elibhuzu lo mfutho
Nguye son.
because ndingathi ke mna ke ndi-on kanti the next
Ndifuna
person is
i-opinion.
like,
Oh,
Why do you care
and
about
ndifile
next
ke
person?
ngoku.
bazala utyabula katusi.
Why do you care about next
Why,
person
like,
thing?
there's a thing, there also is a thing of lying to yourself.
kuba wena ungenayo i-confidence and then be like,
Yes.
Let me lie to
Be
Like,
like,
ucinge nyhani umhle nyhani
and be
kanti-
like, fake it until you make it.
ewe
Fake it until you make it.
Ewe.
Ndizoba yiyo le nto ufuna ube yiyo kanti no.
side siqhele
You
uba
s-
hayi unjeya wena umo wakhe Uf, kanti awukho confident,
You still
you-
care
you-
about other
other
people's
people's-
opinions.
you know,
"Oh,
but uyasibhanqa kuhle nathi kone hayi
Ndim.
ndim
Kanti no, ufuna thina. Sibe
Sitsho,
like,
eh.
nguwe.
ewe nguwe and nyhani sizawuthi nguwe
And
because
sizawutsho thina because
kwakula
sibona
age
wena.
zasekhaya asizokwazi ukwehlisa.
Nathan
Mm.
are you confident
No.
Sadly no.
Exactly.
Why,
I'm
guys?
I'm trying to be actually.
Hey, and I'm actually now.
Yabona.
I'm in that process.
Yeah.
And
I-
it's hard.
I did so-
isixhosa ke sana qha ndiyazi eli gama ndilifunayo ndilibele the ndingazithembanga ke
Why? No, it's not about
It's not about
Uzithemba.
Uzithemba.
Not about
You just have to
Uzithemba.
be realistic. Ucinga uba, man, ndityabule nyhani kanti. Hi tata. Hi boy. Ingxaki mna I would say I have been in a state
Sorry.
of confidence until I wasn't. Because there, as much as we may say kulula uba confident uqonde hayi ndi-on and nawe ukuzibone ngenye imini bu-on qha ibuhlungu not uzixelela ubu-on uzobakho umntu uzokuxelela i-nonsense ebusweni
hey
like
njengalo wathi i-graduation day you look good without makeup I was like oh
Okay, so
Uzawuthi,
Okay.
okay, so what?
I was like okay
What do you mean?
Okay, so what?
Right, okay
Uzawuthi
Because-
yebo
la okay mos wamlungu
yebo
Ngizomane ndiqhoba
ilona nditshoyo uba ithi apha kum confidence is the belief or trust you have in yourself, your abilities or decisions or a situation. It doesn't mean it doesn't mean thinking you're perfect. It means believing you can handle challenges, learn from mistakes and keep going even things are difficult. Mna confidence endinayo is for my work ethic. Give me a challenge, be it accounting, photography, anything.
Anything nje.
I will show you bajonga ndiyayale nto ndiyenzayo. And ndiyazixelela bajonga, this is my thing. No one can tell me otherwise.
Yeah.
But ke umasize ke ukubhiyanka. As a secret. Aye tata, it's not the same. Because leno ndichoyo, it's so easy for people to tear down and esteem wena so kuzame kakhulu yakho. Umuntu akuthi
Suvuma ngawo.
It's like about
uyabona ke
not like ngiyavuma. Not ngiyavuma.
ayi awuvumi man ne but angazi ilula mani into mna nditsho ndithi I don't take things to the heart but I take criticism
Back of the mind.
Ihlala
Okay.
apha nqondo oh
Be like, okay.
so nobani nabanye abantu
Bayacinga uhlobo and then yabo.
Njengefseni.
okay sure inoba
Inoba ne.
dala kuthethwa ne okay lo ntombi hlala phansi
Yeah, see,
Boys.
I did some self introspection.
Yeah.
Be like, no man. Lendo, you choose yourself and stuff. Is a god, man.
Great.
Is a god. No, like most of the time I'm be like, okay, recently, but no, I was gay for other people. I was not gay for myself. I was gay for okay, you accept me. Now,
Nawe.
and do not be uncomfortable when you see me. Come on, okay. Come on, like ne. I think that I'm going to the podcast and be like, hi, mna, and you lay gay it is so ne Dileana ilunga namajita. No, fuck you. Sorry. Uba ichom doesn't make you gay.
Yeah.
No. If you funa vibe yam, uzohlala nam. If awufuna that's on you.
And being gay is not a disease. IODP. It's not like I'm gonna cough and then you're gonna catch it. You're not gonna be gay. And kuba wena, me being gay makes you uncomfortable. You have a problem with yourself, not me.
Menzawuza apho
Hayi,
problem ngabantu abagay.
Should you be gay? Should wow wena into bantu gay mna ikwenze uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Jonga mna sekhaya. Jonga esipilini.
Sibuze.
Uthi
Ndingaba ngintoni na?
songezo uright uthanda amantombazana manyana okanye uthanda abantu just like ukubhiyanka lokho uku-influence uthanda amantombazana okay yabo like is the questions that you should ask yourself ezo kwenzela ungaprojecti insecurities zakho
Yeah.
because me being bisexual is not your problem.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying kuba mnandi bisexual. Every girl I must see.
Exactly.
Maybe bisexual. But then abantu ba straight. Abanye abantu bathanda ikeke qha ke xa ifuna ikeke. Mna ndifuna icarrot ndifuna necake. It's okay. I like it. And there is carrot cake.
Sudika.
You know?
Buzz.
You can combine them. Ube right uphile.
Empolo.
And as long as gay bam bungakwenzela into wena, you should not be concerned.
Yeah.
But none. And that's a PSA, public service announcement. My daughter, just because you have gay friends,
Doesn't make you.
Doesn't mean
that
about
doesn't make you gay. I've known men who are just friends with gay men,
Yeah.
and they still like coochie. It's okay, you know. It's okay.
Wani manyola. Oh, yini.
Man, what? Wakhumbuza this
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
yini.
And
Basisithini ngalana?
validation, but
validation, baby.
Bena ndibuze into ngiqala manje confident.
Yeah.
Kakhulu shana.
Oh, very good.
Hayi,
Yeah, happy for
nyani. Oh, hayi serious.
Happy birthday, Beyonce.
Can you ibona ibokhe yami?
Hawu, shakwa. Ngathi ngilamntana, balamntana. Balamntana uphakula kwazazi kids abafana versus the boys.
Fatima. Fatima.
Iwalk yakho yalamntana.
I-confidence yami neka Fatima 99.
Same thing.
Same thing.
Because I understand lamntana vela khona wow and
Waqala
ngubeyonce.
kaloku, waqala lamntana na hey.
UnguBeyonce.
Kuthiwa umbi. Thatha i-eyebrow land. Thatha i-rouge. Wayipetya i-eyebrow like this. Ngendlela embi nyani. Wayifaka i-eyebrow yathi so. Wathi awubheka ukuthi ngimuhle kanjani. Black is beautiful.
Yes.
Ndim lo wake speed xa ngigqiba uzibhotya nami vele ndithi girl you are fucking beautiful. Yeah.
I get. Sixakane naye emva koko.
Ndityabule wonke.
Emva koko makayithethe sixakane naye.
If you think I'm not beautiful andiyazi ke.
That's your issue.
Ikuwe nto yam. Ayikuwe sani.
Uzukuzibuze wena unjani.
Ngoba Ngoba kubike Masiyeke kuba ngaphandle.
It's fine. So I can zamali late kakhulu by the end of the year. It's fine.
But yeah, I'm very confident.
Yes.
And seek your opinion yamntu.
Yes.
Ba uyandibona wena ncoma ngaka basino ndimhle. Enkosi ndiyabulela. I appreciate that. Nkosi ngoncoma. Uyabo? I'm very confident. Into yonke man. Yebo ngathi amboma pha phambi kwabantu ngoku uthethe something. And so ndithi hayi. Ndithetha gqithi phakathi kwabantu. Awuphakama. Ndiyosayinisa pha. I don't know ndithetha yenze sense. Still
Confidence.
that's on you.
Yeah. Confidence starts with yourself.
Yeah.
Starts with yourself.
I'm very confident. Kwathi kudala she.
And I hope that we can cause
Ndithi ndiqale high school ba confident kahle kahle.
izolo apha sisetown nomama. Kwa Ackermans. There's a girl who pulls up kum. Oh, athi Miss B.
Ooh, kane.
Sisetown ke ngoku. Nesibini. Now I'm on the aisle yabantwana. I'm just doing my regular shopping. Hey, phinde le ntombazana, Miss B. Hey, hayi ntombazana yazondikrweca. Hayi Miss B. Molo sis we podcast. Okay. Hi baby, ndiyamazi ne. I know you stand sam. Kwazi nyani. I've seen you in places that I can't mention right here.
Damn.
I've seen you. But I have a problem with names. And izange mna nawe sathethe. Babesidibana ezitoilet sithi nje xa sizipreparashana sonke.
Oh my God.
So, I know you baby girl. Don't worry. Kuba ndithe dear baby, ungafeel offended. I don't know names. So baby girl wandibulisa. Hey, emva koko there's this security guard. What? No man, I knew that I knew you from somewhere. Ndikwazela kwi-podcast.
Yo, damn.
Yabona yonke le into idinga umuntu abene confidence because say we reach a status that I can't say sobani ngoku. I don't want to say MacG ngathi ngabo bodwa ababenza podcast. There are so many podcasts. Look at Talita Ndima, Obani, and Kobana get they're already famous like in terms of acting and stuff. So hey, izawudini into yam njengoba ndine-anxiety kangaka like in terms of socially abantu kase ndithi hayi mphinde ngigqede ngoku. Izawudini le nto ba yebo confidence iyadingeka ke. I was like, hey, ndisho kwayo. I was like, bro, confidence iyadingeka ngoku because there's two people who recognized me for podcast izolo down in the same place. Senza njani?
I had no idea ba yebukela naseMonti mna le podcast.
Bro,
Umntana suke eMonti cawe bezemgidini ngapha. Yazi podcast yethu.
lento ndiyitshoyo.
Ay,
Say lento you say we reach a status.
Music house.
Engathi i-confidence Nathan.
Mayinyuke.
Nathan.
Fast sifake ipetrol mntakatata.
Kuthiwa kutheze ndixelele nawe uba uyeke utshintsha apha ebusweni bakwazi ukubulisa abantu bakho.
Hayi.
Ethanda like
Awuyaqumba.
Uyaqumba nyani.
Hayi ma'am, kubona unohambe esitratweni.
Asiba kutubekete estratweni.
Ngacila uba nobusoburongo. Nani ukhona omnye umuntu wayesathi sunquma bra uhamba wedwa ndathi hayi noba nje.
Hayi boy.
Hayi noba ndimbi. Because andinqumi mna. I think abantu into aba throw off it's the headphones. I-West ngiphinde nane-headphones. Abantu abazophinda abantu guys i-headphones ndine-social anxiety. I don't know how to deal with people. I'm the nicest person you'll ever meet, but I'm also very scared of people because abantu bayayithetha in-nonsense yomuntu. And I've discovered that I have a temper. So I'm not in temper yam endiyaziyo uba iphambene. Ndihambe ke ngoku benditriggerisha abantu. You know? Because abanye abantu let's xa sisithetha into zenyani abantu bayazi noba bayithethe ebantwini. Like abantu abazazi noba bazithethe ebantwini. You just going about your day nonsense. Like how that person you were just enjoying your graduation day and then you
look good. You look good without makeup.
Uthi boyithini wena lo opinion?
Ndingenavi.
Uthi boyithini because right now you're wearing makeup. Uthini? Ithini imbangi yobathethela nto kuwe?
I don't know.
Exactly.
Ndingumfana ke.
Nonsense because kuye ngeba uyakuthera down ba no man umbi. susa lento uzaba right ke ngoku.
Wesibini luthoyo.
Itsho. Yeah. Itsho
Intombazane
lo.
yavele
Yakusula
yavele yandisula. Yathi now you look good without makeup. And I'm like, ufuna undibona without makeup okanye ufuna uthini?
yebo. You never know, but it's insulting. Mind
Mind
you
you,
ke
okanye andikho mhle, but
Mind you ke ngoku mna
Girl,
lento
DJ.
ngitshoyo, I have a temper. I have a
bafuna
really
uhoyo abantu
bad
abanje.
temper.
Abafuna uhoyo.
Ngoku xa ndizawuvele ndikuvathele ngempama uzothini?
Usasula la makeup.
Ewe, usazisula.
Wenzani, wenja?
Mthambi, uphethe yini?
Uthi
I-wipes.
uxole.
Wayephethe i-wipes mandithi mntana.
Sisigezo.
Disrespectful.
And I was like, wathi now you look good.
So funeka ndibambe itemper yam ke ngoku kuloo nto. Hayi ambetha you. And then ke uzawuthi i-podcast
Ndlavini.
ayirude.
Ndlavini. Ndlavini.
Akakwasidila nabantu.
Bayadosa.
Yebo, they're always looking for something to
Basile
say.
mara, basile
Kwenzela umuntu abe nento ebambekayo kuye ba no ubani is not nice. Look at what she did ku ubani. And abazobakho abantu ngela xesha kukho la interaction yoba asakuxelela inonsense. Abantu bazobona ngawe sowusilwa. Banganubulwela ntoni.
Photo. Nanko-ke.
Nanko-ke podcast ayenu. Uyayebo? So guys, I have really bad social anxiety and I'm working on it. I'm really working on it because ndinechomi ezilapha. So zisandifake elayinini ba nam mandibelapha. You know, and of course guys, this is our dibane ezindaweni and I'm going to be nice and
Yeah.
but I'm not going to be the most confident. Hello, wanting go Beyonce at the end of the day. Kubona ndingenguye no Diana.
So
So
Beyonce ushaye nje na.
ushaye njani?
She's very shy.
Yo, Aisha uyaphambana.
I'm shy until Sasha came out. Blah.
Yeah, she's very shy.
You akathi drugs like you sayibona
Sayibona
Sasha.
Sasha.
Sasha akathi drugs. Hlabani. Lathi nje.
Black.
Yo, I understand.
Ndibe ndingayifuni nalando yelando. I think saske touch a base on indaba ye yaniphuncula. Saske touch a base on inthethe as an art form and performers nathi even in general. Mhlambe xa kufuneka sibe in front of the camera. The whole thing got behind the scenes of
Yeah.
umuntu yenza njani land like kusube kutheni, is it also a lack of confidence okanye? Because I feel like there were
There are people
performers
abane stage fright.
but su performer kaloku.
And it
Bakhona abane stage fright. Uyifunile but
you wanted to be an artist. You wanted to be singer.
mhlawumbe bakhona bacula nje kuba befuna nje imali bangayazi ba into yabiza kuphela isithi psh like babe
Ndiyakuva ne?
ine
Xa sithi push, ne? You want awards. Azofuna awards, azofuna uba phakathi kwabantu nawe unikwe yala we.
Because
andiyazi ukuthi batheni ke.
Because you can't sign up for something ongekho capable of ukuyenza. Sizi podcasters. Siyabizwa endaweni.
Yeah.
Kuthiwe guys, today we just want you to rap i-KCP yenu
Yeah.
nendawo lesiniqeshele kuyo. Say uPapi's Lounge.
Yeah.
They promoting something. They want us to be presenters. Ufuna ungixelela ba every time now we're booked to be presenters ngizamane nzi IB addiction yona.
Ikabikho ke ngokulanto uzawuthini?
Nansi point yami. So uzowenza umsebenzi wakho?
No.
Then
Okanye
why?
uzawenza fake shades kanye asele if ayikho ishibiriking.
That's why ke ngoku that's where you lose me. Kaloku icraft yona.
So lando ke ngoku confidence booster yakho lando.
Sisa apha sisober. Uyazi ba nanzi ayicamera, nazi ayicamera zininzi.
And akhona uzayenza ushushu. Nabantu bayolana.
And must kubona ba because I never understood there were performers up at Dimbaza. Ezaziqonda majoka you have so much potential. But amajita kufuneka ukuze a perform noba it's a smaller nyana crowd or uzoma athethe something, there must be a shot, there must be weed. There must be something I consumayo ukuze enze umsebenzi wakhe. Whereas awunonikwa a gift that you can't handle. You can't be given something isiphiwo whatever oyibizayo wena lonto, but awunothenjwa ngayo kanti funeka ikhona into encedisayo.
Yeah.
What do you mean? So Thixo sisibhanqa uzobe kunika ivoice.
Okay.
Ewe kaloku utsho So wena mesintshudu uyacula sifuneka sibhukishileyo ke Blue House uyomamela ingoma yakho siyomamela ingoma zakho baba.
Simomomo. Simomomo.
Bathi mama nizawusonga isandla ninjonge kaloku. One thing about abanye abantu I think basazi sinjani. Singababukeli ne.
Iyakulanda kashe kalamjida shemwe AI.
Yes.
Iyabasazi abantu basenjani. Umzekelo khona ke ngona ngikubisela wathi intona le. Imagine if beyiperforma phana abanye abantu bavele ukuthi intona le. Sisiyalisa ntona esi. Uyayibona ke.
Yebo wena iseyingoma we are hearing it on digital format.
No master uqala uyiva phake ngokuya perform tana abantu.
Intona le. That is not a jab at his confidence or performance.
Yes.
Amela kaloku.
Ilishani uperforma pha.
Usino kandiva.
Afuna uyiva zothi ngiphethe nyani ke mina ke.
When was like the cast
No, I'm not talking about that one.
I feel like I have no address wale. Oh, yini sorry Mjita. Tell us some advice. Oh yes, show me you're not a rapper, ne? You're a storyteller.
Okay.
Find beats eziyelelene.
Yeah.
The craft yes.
Yes. Bakhona
Kasibone,
abantu abenza poetry.
Yeah.
Kuba beats like the drums at the back.
Yeah.
Xa ubalisa wena, it's okay. Balisa, talk your shit. You know?
And
no
what?
harm.
Let me talk my shit. Okay,
Thetha
delay.
ishit nyhani.
Into ngapha.
Guys,
Okay, let's
uthetha
know.
ishit nyhani. Don't worry.
Guys, can I
And what you did
Yo,
there, Tommy, was very creative. Like,
Yeah.
yabona ke,
Yeah.
in terms of
Great.
setup,
Creativity.
Guys,
all
and
that.
I think, you know-
it's all about.
but
ifana nanto like
sufaki beat ka Drake. Why umoshi beat ka Drake?
khawume mani. Ifana nanto ba
We're not gonna be liked after this episode.
umzekelo.
Yo.
Umzekelo.
Yo, akazofuna nophinda
uNathan mana umzekelo. Anenzekelo nje Nathan. Yabo ke ngiyaqaselwa Jake no hash. Bona masabe sese rappers, xa rappers. Mhlawumbe uNate hlala gqithi nabo.
Yo.
At first now I thought he influenced lanto ne. Kanti now it's ikuye mhlawumbe uyayithanda, yabo.
And now, looking at his friends, his acquaintances, okay, we're surrounded by people who love doing rap
Yeah,
and
so
stuff.
now
So now,
ikuye naye lanto, you see.
then I was like, uzothi ngingxaki mina because ndandicommentile ndisithi hayi sana umbogi yomthonyama seceni anangxaki nawe
Unemployment in Amanyala.
Person like there were comments.
Uzathi ndinengxaki
Mamelani, there were comments. Honestly, there were comments.
I feel like wayibona futhi yami
abantu yeah.
Confidence.
yo yabi
Yo, guys,
telling
you
them.
validation
You guys are
validation wawuzawuyeka ke ngoku after abantu besithi bad about your craft
It's not like, I don't
get
think
hate.
I don't think we
Yeah.
Jonga, there's so many
Exactly.
people. Look at Grace Mondlana. Look, Grace Mondlana gets hate
All the time.
All the time.
All the
But
time.
Ayeki uba content creator la ntombazana. Ayeki tu.
You know, sometimes
And
when
now I
when
like her
someone
now.
hates, that means you're doing the right thing sometimes. Because most people like.
Makayeke kaloku yena.
Aye,
Uyayeka.
right thing okay
Okay, guys,
Is it the right
Let's just. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Tenibuza kum.
You're his closest acquaintance.
Hi, suthela kanti. Hey.
Acquaintance. I said friend. Acquaintance. Uwa kaloku maziyo nikhula nonke. At least no Nathan
Athi
uthi
nikhula
neqhosa.
nonke.
Nikhula nonke boss.
Oh my god.
Shem akasandibulisa shem mina sathi I feel like nyani wayifunda yami comment
Kodwa nawe ungayithatha
Mbongi
Akam-
Why not imbongi yomthonyama
I was like
umnyukana?
hayi bo kusho mkhalo benilindele lukhulu kubona enako kuaqalayo
umuntu oqalayo. Awunilindele likhulu umuntu oqalayo. Obviously umuntu oqalayo uzoflopa ni take.
Okay, jonga nami.
Athi gqi. Ba. Ngebob.
look at
But Chomi yakhe
look at usanelo
Look at Chomi.
ucosa
Yeah.
ucosa besanoyiqala ngoku izinto because benifuna naye mina bengamazi ba uyarap
Yeah,
until nabona
but
ngoba
he-
okay but ngomba
Nigga is boss.
uyambona
Right.
uyambona
Ipen game yakhe is lethal.
uyayibona
Ipen game yakhe is crazy.
Exactly.
Damn, I'm done.
Even oh is cool. Oh, she's her.
Awuthandi
Ufuna
ngoma.
wena futhi I have a bone to pick with you. Why igama lami ngokuliwisi lilus? Because ufuna uNatasha.
Ayifuna unondatshaza, like.
Sunqhele ndimdala ndingisisi sawuxabana otherwise luthando lodwa masambe
Masiqhub.
Masiqhubekeni.
Qhubekeni.
but ke kumnandi kuyilonto kuGlims and
Sidinga
Glam nalona
ukugqibezela.
Oh.
isenguGlims and Glam
Sathi
lona
ugqibezela.
siyabuya sisathi shelele
Hey,
Dolo. And we'll see you every Thursday at 4 p.m. I think Askabiko confirmed, but
Yeah.
every Thursday around 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. will catch us on the Culture Convo network page
Yeah.
on YouTube. And yeah, thank you to our subscribers.
Yeah.
I don't know how many subscribers we're sitting on Google Culture Convo.
I don't know.
I don't know.
It's been a
And
while.
thank
Think I
you
checked.
guys. Thank you to our sponsors, that is being the Mkoto Residence,
Yeah.
Baza Photography,
Neighbor.
Elsa Media, and of course the presence of my two co-hosts, that is Mercy Nchudu and the Top Dog.
Cherry
And
on
of
top.
course Usahleli no Miss B. And this
fabulous.
is the sweetest honeybee.
So fabulous.
Glimpse it.
We are here, single glimpse and glam. Siya glimsa, siya
Siya
glamour,
glamour, siya live
liver.
it.
And this is your soft
Girl
girl era.
era, baby.
Masambe.
Hey, I'm my son. Yeah. Next.